In 1953, during the height of the Cold War, the United States launched a covert program known as MK-Ultra. Its purpose was not publicly defined, but internally, the objective was clear: to understand, influence, and control the human mind. The concern was strategic. If thoughts could be manipulated, resistance could be removed without force. Researchers needed a method powerful enough to disrupt perception. They turned to LSD. At first, LSD was studied as a tool to explore consciousness. It appeared to reveal hidden thoughts and weaken mental barriers. Soon, its real potential became evident. LSD did not expand the mind. It destabilized it. Perception fragmented. Time lost structure. Identity weakened. Subjects reported detachment from reality, confusion, and loss of control. This created a critical insight. If perception could be broken, it might be reshaped. Experiments began in controlled settings. Soon they expanded beyond them. Individuals were given LSD without consent. In social environments, meetings, and everyday situations, subjects who believed they were safe lost control of their perception within minutes. Responses varied. Some panicked. Some became disoriented. Some lost awareness of their surroundings. The results confirmed one fact: the human mind was highly vulnerable, and under the right conditions, it could be pushed beyond stability. MK-Ultra had identified its entry point. As experiments progressed, LSD became a controlled method. Subjects were isolated, deprived of stimulation, and exposed to repeated doses. Under these conditions, cognitive structure degraded rapidly. Time became inconsistent. Memory became unreliable. Reality lost coherence. Subjects reported being watched. They believed their thoughts were influenced. Some stated their actions were no longer their own. This stage introduced conditioning. Repeated phrases were used to create associations. Audio patterns triggered emotional responses. LSD increased susceptibility. The mind became unstable, reducing resistance to suggestion. However, instability also produced risk. Paranoia intensified. Subjects lost trust in their environment. Some became unresponsive. Others reacted unpredictably. Identity fragmentation became common. Subjects failed to recognize themselves. Personal memory degraded. The process revealed a limit. The mind could be influenced, but it could not be stabilized after extreme disruption. The closer researchers moved toward control, the closer they came to irreversible damage. The boundary between influence and collapse became unclear. The program escalated. LSD was combined with additional stress methods: sleep deprivation, continuous repetition, electroshock. Subjects were pushed into exhaustion before exposure. Once resistance dropped, conditioning began. Commands were repeated. Responses were monitored. A threshold was identified. At this point, subjects showed reduced autonomy. Some followed instructions. But this was not control. It was instability. Behavior became inconsistent. Emotional responses were unpredictable. The mind did not reorganize. It fractured. Researchers observed a critical limitation. The mind cannot be fully erased. It can be suppressed and redirected, but not replaced. Excessive pressure produced collapse, not compliance. Long-term damage became evident. Memory loss, identity disruption, permanent cognitive instability. Documentation was limited. Many records were removed or destroyed. Remaining data showed only partial results. The objective was not achieved, but the consequences were permanent. In the 1970s, MK-Ultra became partially exposed. Investigations confirmed its existence, but most records were already destroyed. Thousands of documents were eliminated in 1973. What remained was incomplete. Official reports stated the program ended. Available evidence suggested extended activity. Former subjects reported lasting effects. Memory gaps, unexplained fear, persistent disorientation. Some believed they were still monitored. Others felt a loss of mental control. These effects were not temporary. They indicated long-term alteration. MKUltra demonstrated a key principle. The human mind can be disrupted and influenced, but not restored to its original state after extreme manipulation. The program may have ended. Its impact did not. The remaining question is direct. If such methods were developed once, were they truly abandoned or simply removed from visibility? The absence of records does not confirm absence of activity. And the most concerning possibility remains. The process may continue without being recognized.